The Earth sometimes opens without warning, swallowing land, water, and even life itself. Some holes are mysterious, others deadly, plunging into darkness where no sunlight reaches. From Siberia to the Caribbean, these are the deepest holes on Earth, and they shouldn't exist. And today we'll uncover 5 of them. Number 5. The Kola Super Deep Borehole. In the Arctic tundra of northern Russia lies a sealed metal cap, rusted, forgotten, but infamous. This is the Kola Super Deep Borehole. Once humanity's boldest attempt to pierce the Earth's crust, it began in 1970. Soviet scientists drilled relentlessly for nearly 20 years, carving a shaft over 12 kilometers deep, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Their goal? To study the planet's structure. What they found instead terrified them. Temperatures soared past 180 degrees Celsius, twice what they predicted. Metals warped, sensors malfunctioned, but stranger still, microphones lowered into the hole began picking up sounds, deep rhythmic vibrations, almost like moans or whispers echoing from below. When the project abruptly shut down in 1992, no explanation was given. The site was welded shut and abandoned to the ice. Today, locals avoid it. Some claim you can still hear the faint sounds beneath the cap, not mechanical, but alive. Geologists say it's just the Earth settling, but believers insist it's something else, something waiting beneath the crust. When you stand there, wind howling over the tundra, the ground feels hollow, and in that emptiness, you can almost feel it breathe back. Number 4. The Great Blue Hole, Belize. A perfect circle carved into turquoise sea, serene, silent, hypnotic. That's the Great Blue Hole. But beauty here hides danger. This sinkhole drops over 120 meters beneath the Caribbean, descending from coral reef into the void. Divers describe the descent as peaceful at first, until the lights fade. At 30 meters, colors vanish. At 50, warmth. Beyond 100, even sound feels thinner. The water turns thick, heavy, pressing in from all sides like the ocean itself is holding its breath. Inside, giant stalactites hang from the wall, relics from an ancient cave that once stood above sea level. The deeper you go, the more alien it feels. Then comes the sulfur layer, a thick yellow haze that kills anything passing through. Below that, nothing. No fish, no coral, just stillness. In 2018, a deep diving expedition discovered tunnels stretching from the bottom, leading somewhere deeper, direction unknown. Sonar showed movement inside those channels, but the sub had to retreat. Pressure too high, light too faint. Some scientists say these tunnels connect to other sinkholes across the region. Others think there's something else, a natural gateway to a cavernous world we've never mapped. Staring into that perfect blue circle, it's hard not to wonder, what if the ocean is looking back? Number 3. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the heart of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, the earth burns, a crater 70 meters wide, glowing like a wound in the night. Locals call it Darvaza, the door to hell. In 1971, Soviet engineers were drilling for gas when the ground collapsed beneath them. To stop the methane from spreading, they set the crater on fire, expecting it to burn out within days. That was over 50 years ago. The flames never died. Instead, they grew stronger, consuming everything around them. Scientists can't explain why the gas still burns. No new fuel source has ever been found, and yet it rages, unending, unstoppable. At night, travelers say you can hear a low hum beneath the roar. The air crackles almost alive. Some claim to see shapes move within the flames, shadows twisting, then vanishing. Standing at its rim, the heat distorts reality. The desert shimmers red and gold. It's like staring into a living thing, ancient, hungry, aware. Geologists dismiss the myths, but locals tell stories that this isn't a fire at all, but a mouth. A gateway where the earth exhales its fury and maybe something else. Before we reveal the next one, make sure to like and subscribe. because what comes next is darker, deeper, and more mysterious than anything you've seen yet. Number 2. Jiaozhai Tianqing, China. Hidden in the mist-covered mountains of Wulong County lies a vast silent scar, the Jiaozhai Tianqing, the world's deepest sinkhole. It plunges over 660 meters into the earth, wide enough to swallow skyscrapers whole. Clouds drift through its rim, waterfalls cascade down its walls, vanishing into fog. At the bottom, a hidden forest grows, lush, untouched, and damp with eternal twilight. Scientists say it was carved by an underground river, eroding the limestone until the ceiling collapsed. But locals tell older stories of a celestial dragon that struck the mountain with its claws, splitting the earth open and vanishing inside. Explorers who descend describe the air as different, heavy, electric. Voices echo too long, footsteps sound too close. Some say you can feel something beneath the soil, a slow pulsing vibration, as if the mountain itself has a heartbeat. In 2019, drones mapped sections unreachable by foot. The footage showed strange shapes in the fog, moving against gravity, then disappearing. Maybe tricks of light, maybe not. When you look down from the rim, you can't see the bottom. Only clouds, and something darker shifting beneath them. Number 1. The Dragon Hole, South China Sea. Off the coast of the Paracel Islands lies a deep, silent wound in the ocean, the Dragon Hole, known to locals as Long Dong, the Eye of the Sea. It stretches more than 300 meters down, deeper than the Statue of Liberty stacked 3 times. Divers who descend say the water changes character. Lights fade unnaturally fast, sounds muffle, and every movement feels heavy, watched. At 100 meters, oxygen vanishes. Below that, the water turns black and poisonous, filled with ancient gases that kill within seconds. No camera has ever reached the bottom intact. Every probe sent past 270 meters returns malfunctioning, as if something interfered. Legends say it's a gateway to another realm, a place where spirits of drowned sailors drift forever. But modern sonar scans have revealed something stranger. Faint movement, slow, deliberate, like something alive deep down below the threshold. Some claim it's a massive current. Others believe it's a living creature, dormant, ancient, and waiting. The ocean guards its secrets well. When you stare into the dragon hole, it feels like time slows. The water is too still, too quiet, as if the world itself is still holding its breath. Because maybe this isn't just a hole in the sea. Maybe it's an entrance, and maybe whatever's down there isn't asleep anymore. So which of these terrifying holes gave you chills the most? Drop your pick in the comments below, and until next time.